Are you tired of searching through endless files to find that one document for your clients? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add documents to your HubSpot CRM in just a few easy steps. Whether you're managing sales, marketing, or customer support, this quick 2025 guide will save you time and keep your workflow organized. Let's dive in. First, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Once you're on your dashboard, head over to the top navigation bar and find the Sales or Marketing drop-down menu, depending on your plan. Under that, select Documents. Now click the Upload Document button. A pop-up window will appear where you can choose files from your computer or even drag and drop them for faster upload. HubSpot supports common file types like PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoints, and more. After uploading, give your document a clear name and organize it using folders or tags if needed. This helps your team locate it easily later on. Want to make it even more powerful? HubSpot lets you track who views your document and how much time they spend on it. Just enable tracking when you upload. This is perfect for proposals, contracts, or any content you share with leads. Once uploaded, your document is ready to be inserted into emails, templates, or shared links directly from HubSpot. No more searching through your local folders or third-party storage. Everything stays in one place, accessible to your team anytime, anywhere. And that's it. You've successfully added your documents to HubSpot CRM. From now on, you'll save hours and keep your workflow running smoothly. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick HubSpot tips, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.